What's up, guys? Horsepower Hooligan here. It's about 4 in the morning. I'm about to head to work for the week. I got my book bag and I'm gonna show you what I run for my setup because I do daily my motorcycle every day. So first, I get my GoPro mounted. Got the LED lights on. Let's see, I got my case of Monster, my hat, rain cover at my job. These saddlebags on these 2024s are pretty big. And I come over here. I got me my case of water and my sandwiches for the week because I'm gonna go out. I'm gonna be gone for 3 days. So I like to pack my lunch, put it in the refrigerator in the truck. Let's see. Plus in my book bag, I've got my soap. I've got what else is in there? Clothes, toothbrush, toothpaste, things I'm gonna need throughout the week. And then that's mostly what I do, man. That's it. I'm a pretty simple creature. So we're about to head out. It's dark out. Like I said, it's 4 in the morning. Let's go to work.